For today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to download Windows 11 and Windows 10 to an USB flash drive. So let's jump right in. So if you want to download Windows 10 or Windows 11 into a USB, you guys need an 8 gig USB stick. Well, this is a requirement if you guys wanted to download Windows 10 or Windows 11 onto a USB and flash it to your PC.
So now you need to open up your favorite browser and just type Windows 11 ISO, and Windows 11 is officially supported for Microsoft, so there's no need any hassle to download it in any third-party websites. Since I downloaded the create installation media, I'm gonna go to download and I'm gonna just click on the create installation media. You guys can see Windows 11 set up. Before you guys need to do this thing, please make sure that your PC is compatible with Windows 11. If it's not Windows compatible, I do have a video, will be a link in the description down below, that you guys can download Windows 11 on a non-compatible PC. So do check it out. Now for Windows 11, there's only one architecture, which is 64-bit architecture. So if you want to use a USB flash drive, it needs to be at least 8 gigabytes. If you want to download an ISO, you guys can just download an ISO. And I already have it here, so since I already have it, I'm just gonna click exit from here. You'll say sure, yeah, yes. Now the setup process is complete. Now we need to download Windows 10. Windows 10 ISO is also supported at the Microsoft Store, so you guys, it means there's no hassle for it. So you need to download the tool here. This may take some time because it's 18 megabytes. Since I downloaded it, I'm just gonna go to download and click on media creation tool. You guys can see the setup process here. Now you guys need to click on create installation media. Now there are architectures for 32-bit and 64-bit. You guys can do both. Click the language, and there's only one edition, which is Windows 10. Now you guys can use a USB flash drive, you guys can see from here, or you guys can download an ISO file. So we'll click on next, and I already have a Windows 10 ISO file. So I already have a Windows ISO file. I'm just gonna click exit.
So if you guys using the USB setup for boot Windows 10, well, just on your PC, and I'm using my BIOS keyboard because this mechanical keyboard unfortunately can't use it in BIOS mode. Pretty bummer if you spend about 70 ringgit for a keyboard. Well, let it boot it up real quick onto the BIOS, and I want to press F10 setup. And every motherboard has different configuration to go to the BIOS, and just check in Google, it will give you a clear instruction. So there it is. I hope you guys can see. Let me check. Wait, let me just zoom here. That's about right. Okay, so just go to boot order. If you guys booting directly from a USB, just click enter and go up and just click enter again. So the boot order will be the USB device first and others all later. But if you guys booting directly from an SSD or a hard drive, take your boot SSD and just wait. There it is, hard drive, and just go up, and the boot order will be hard drive, then USB. If you guys getting from USB first, then hard drive next. So So if you like this video guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what if you thought of it guys. If you're new to this channel guys, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Talk to you guys later and hope you guys enjoy.